Describe an achievement you are proud of. You should say what you achieved, when you achieved it, how you achieved it, and explain why you are proud of it. An achievement I am particularly proud of is completing my first marathon. I had always been interested in long-distance running, but the idea of running a full marathon, which is 42.195 kilometers, seemed daunting. However, I decided to set this goal for myself as a way to challenge my physical and mental limits. To achieve this, I followed a strict training regimen that lasted for 6 months. My training plan included long runs, speed work, strength training, and cross-training activities like swimming and cycling. I also focused on proper nutrition and hydration, ensuring my body was well fueled and ready for the intense workouts. Additionally, I joined a local running group, which provided me with support, motivation, and valuable tips from more experienced runners. The marathon day was a mix of excitement and nervousness. I hit a mental and physical wall around the 30-kilometer mark, but I pushed through, drawing strength from my months of training and the encouragement of the crowd. Crossing the finish line was an exhilarating moment, and I felt an overwhelming sense of accomplishment and pride. I am proud of this achievement for several reasons. Firstly, it represents the culmination of hard work, dedication, and discipline. The training process taught me valuable lessons about goal setting, perseverance, and self-belief. Secondly, completing the marathon proved to me that I can overcome significant challenges and push beyond my perceived limits. Lastly, it inspired others around me, showing them that with determination and effort, seemingly impossible goals can be achieved. In conclusion, completing my first marathon is an achievement I am very proud of. It was a test of my physical and mental endurance, and the experience has had a lasting positive impact on my life.